Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 right here on TradingView. First thing that you need to do is connect your broker, so the broker that you are using to TradingView. You can do this by going to trade and then select the broker that you're using. Then after that we go right here to the search bar and we search right here for the S&P 500. Then we have it right here, click on it and then you will see here the chart. Then what you need to do from now is click here on buy and then you will see right here or order. And then the next thing is select here buy and then go right here to margin USD. For you, he is standing right here on lots. I like to do it the opposite. So I want to fill in how much money I want to invest instead of lots. Then we say 1K in US dollars. Then we go down and can put a exit on it. So I take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that, but you can decide it by yourself. And then from now we click here on buy. And now we created ourselves a position for the S&P 500 right here. So this is how you can buy S&P 500 on TradingView. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.